All right. If you want to make money online using Gamma AI, this guide will show you how to use it for freelancing step by step. First, decide what services you'll offer: presentations, business slides, content writing, or reports. Use Gamma to create a few sample projects. Yeah, this helps you show your skills to clients. Enter clear prompts to generate high quality content. Better input means better output. Don't just send AI generated content, refine it. Yeah, make it clean, professional, and client ready. Always adjust content based on your client's needs. Personalization makes your work more valuable. Build a portfolio using your best work. Yeah, this helps you attract more clients. You can offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. List what you can do clearly, export your work as PDF or slides and deliver it properly. Yeah, presentation matters a lot. Keep improving your skills and workflow. The faster and better you work, the more you can earn. And yeah, that's how you can use Gamma AI for freelancing. It's a simple way to start earning by creating content.